Okay, tell me what to do because we are working in your login now.
Sir,
What
for
to do?
delete operation.
Okay, yes, delete operation. So delete again comes in IML, remove.
Yes, sir.
Token command, remove. Database relation, record number and array with record numbers. Either you can give a single record or multiple records. Both are possible. So this is how you can delete a record. This is so simple.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So tell me what to do.
Sir, we can delete as a complete record and and a single column in a record also, na sir?
We can delete a column, but that is again we will see later on. Today we will see the delete of record only
Okay, okay, sir.
because the basic operations are crude and our target today is for crude only.
Okay, sir, sure.
हाँ हिमांशु बोलो.
Sir, we have to change the command to remove.
Okay.
Yes, database name relation same, and after that we have to give the yes record number.
नो रिकॉर्ड
Okay.
हमेशा अपने को हमेशा जेसन फॉर्म में ही देना है. तो की होती है और एक वैल्यू होता है
Yes, sir.
रिकॉर्ड.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. एंड एक काम और करता हूं मैं इसको सेव एज कर लेता हूं और यहाँ पे अपडेट की जगह डिलीट सेंड. So removed record numbers. Already removed record numbers. Invalid record numbers. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं आया है. Status 200 or success. Okay, let's see what happened in the database. Record delete नहीं हुआ है.
Yes, sir, it's not deleted.
Some.
We have to remove that JSON str, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, there is no JSON str. It's direct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it's basically we have to remove this and this and then send. This is removed. Removed record numbers. One record is removed. Okay. So let's see. So we have to keep the syntax in mind. Na? JSON str was not there actually. So if you see record number 1 is deleted.
Yes, sir.
Will the data will not get updated directly, sir? Now we have removed the record one and still the second one is show. Why isn't it not showing record number one, sir? We
So
have to change it.
it's basically you can say logical deletion. It's not physical deletion.
Okay, okay, sir.
You will not get that first record back, but record number will not change.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, record number will be whatever is assigned while creating will remain.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so yeah, so this is done. Crude operation.